Caribbean Connections TV.
Your seatbelts. This is going to be an exciting, fantastic, energetic, soul-stirring ride. So don't you move. Paradise Hendrickson, host of Caribbean Connections TV. And I'm here at Scotiabank Caribbean Carnival. Eye-popping, tantalizing, amazing costumes and massive, massive floats with lots of sexy, sexy masqueraders. You don't want to miss this evening. It's going to be dynamic. It's paradise here for Caribbean Connection, and I'm in St. Vincent and the Grenadines for Glow, where everyone is wearing white and looking smashing in white. There'll be some great artists tonight, so you wouldn't want to miss this. But yeah, St. Vincent and the Grenadines is officially glowing tonight. Say that again?
Stokely.
Okay, you know you're very hot, right?
Maybe.
You have abs. I know. Now you know. Now you see what I'm talking. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? Hey, girls, get away! Oh, shoot! Now this is nice, ladies.
It's very.
Don't worry, you heat up the place. Because I've seen you perform and you're hot.
Thank you.
A lot of energy.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Is there any pressure being the daughter of the legendary Super Blue? Like, do you feel any pressure to live up to his name?
There's always some pressure because, I mean, he's a great man. He's a legend.
But many Vincentians awaiting the performance of St. Vincent the Grenadines' reigning soca monarch, Fireman Hooper.
And yeah, basically we're just using the snake just to attract more attention so people, can see our name and, come and check us out.
Okay, you're painted blue with red horns. Can you guys see this? She thinks she needs a snake to attract attention. The snake helps, but I think you're fine without the snake.
Sounds